This is my sexy chef cooking dinner. She's making burgers with fried egg on top. It's gonna be amazing. Look how good that looks. I know you're jealous. Smile, baby. Yay. And this is the day after our anniversary, which I have no problem with that because it was worth the wait.
Our oven is on a serious gangster lane. Look at that.
I'm saying. And the fries are in the oven. Doesn't it just look sexy and ready to eat?
You sound like a fat kid.
I am a fat kid. Yummy. And I chose the small one out of all of them. That means I'm going to have a big appetite tomorrow. Or whenever I decide to eat it. She's just an awesome chef and fiance and everything else. Okay, so you don't get jealous and learn her secret style of cooking.